Company is Cascade Painting and Restoration. We've been in business since 1988. In that time, we've done more than 6,500 projects. Exterior house painting has always been a major part of our business. Preparation is everything. We have a great, experienced crew of journeyman painters. We've painted churches and schools, and we painted hundreds of commercial projects, from the very large, like this, the Carson Oil Building, to smaller ones. We don't cut corners, and we want to assure you that your house will last a very long time when our paint job is finished.